Understanding Social Facts, Emile Durkheim's Perspective. Welcome to our video on Emile Durkheim's concept of social facts. Emile Durkheim, often regarded as the father of modern sociology, made significant contributions to the field by introducing the idea of studying society through the lens of social facts. In this video, we will explore Durkheim's definition of social facts, their influence on individuals, and their role in shaping society. Introduction to Emile Durkheim. We begin by introducing Emile Durkheim, a prominent sociologist who laid the foundation for modern sociology. His groundbreaking work focused on understanding the collective nature of society and the role of social facts in shaping human behavior. Defining social facts. Durkheim defined social facts as the forces and phenomena that exist within a society and influence the behavior of individuals. These social facts include culture, norms, values, and beliefs that are collectively created and shared by members of a society. Unlike physical facts, social facts are intangible but have a real impact on individuals' lives. The collective nature of social facts. Durkheim emphasized that social facts are not created by individual actions alone but are the result of collective efforts. He believed that studying society requires examining the group level rather than reducing it to individual action. By analyzing the effects of social facts on individuals, we gain insights into the dynamics of society as a whole. Understanding collective consciousness. Durkheim introduced the concept of collective consciousness to explain the cohesion and unity within a society. Collective consciousness refers to the shared beliefs, values, norms, and ideas that bind individuals together. Through socialization, individuals internalize these norms and values, shaping their behavior and actions within society. The influence of social facts. Durkheim emphasized that social facts have a significant impact on individuals' lives. They provide a framework for social interaction, guide behavior, and shape the overall functioning of society. Understanding social facts allows us to comprehend the forces that maintain social order and stability. Societal integration. Durkheim was particularly interested in understanding what holds societies together. He argued that social integration is achieved through the integration of social facts. This integration creates a sense of solidarity and cooperation among individuals, contributing to the overall functioning of society. Emile Durkheim's concept of social facts has provided a foundational framework for studying society. By recognizing the influence of social forces on individuals, Durkheim highlighted the collective nature of human behavior and the importance of shared beliefs and values. Through this video, we have explored Durkheim's perspective on social facts, their role in shaping society, and the concept of collective consciousness. By understanding social facts, we gain valuable insights into the complexities of social life and the forces that shape our behavior within society. Understanding social facts. Emile Durkheim